Good afternoon, everyone. This is Vinod again from Excel Snippet, your Excel User Series 2.0 video number 8. Today, we are jumping back to the comparisons again, and this time the comparison is not happening between the formula and a formula, but this time we are doing a formula and a function. Today morning, when I stumbled upon a formula called sequence, I felt that this is the good logic that we have here to work around, and we are using this base better right now. So let's see how to do that. And if you are using a serial number for a larger logics, probably people don't use autofill. So they will use a logic called fill series option. A fill series option is one of the finest ribbon functions that we have used for a long time right now. And if you are new to this, you can jump back to my previous videos and you will get an idea of what is the difference between a fill series and an autofill and how it works for us. And I have a detailed video in my previous sessions. You can go through it if you wanted to. Now I'm comparing the series of fill with a sequence. So let's see how to do that. So I'm going to just add a small number first right now. I'm going to add a fill series here. So if you want to start a fill series, you need to have a number first and then use Alt ES to get the fill series option and go to the columns and come to the stop value and get the number here. Now you can see that I have a number until 150 and I can achieve the same using a logic of a formula. Right now I'm going to use sequence as a formula. A sequence is a spill effect formula if you are using Office 365 2019 version, so you get the sequence functionality right now. And when I select the number of line item that I want to add as a sequence, when I give an enter, it automatically populates the numbers from the top to bottom. And the advantage that I have right now is it's a formula, a cell-based formula one. Now I change the number here, automatically my sequence increases to 250 numbers, and I can increase whatever the number that is there available until 10,48,576 those. But if I want to do the same in a fill series option, then I have to jump to the last line and continue the process to the next number that I'm looking forward for. So a fill series will be a consistence of improving the formulas furthermore, but a sequence is a formula which allows us to add any number of items until the last row available for me with ease just by changing one number in a particular cell. So I can just make a 10 count here or a 12 count here and a 15 count here, and I can make 150 counts here. This is going to jump to the number that I'm looking forward for. This is sequence, and I felt I would like to compare this, and this is a new way of doing a serial number. Instead of using an autofill or a fill series, from now on we can use sequence if you're using Office 365 version or 2019 March edition and above. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something new. This is Vinod signing out from Excel Snippet, Excel User Series 2.0 video number 8. Don't forget to subscribe it, do share it, like my video, and forward it to as many people as possible. Thank you so much.